Assalamu alaikum students, your teacher Zahra Ashmi is here with you with another lesson. Today's lesson is about our very own country, Pakistan. We are going to learn about flag, map and some important cities of Pakistan. This is flag of Pakistan. Every country has a flag. Flags are very unique and flag becomes an identity of a nation. There are two colors in flag of Pakistan, white and green. There is a moon and a star as well. Before we move on to map of Pakistan, let's first understand what is a map. A map is a flat drawing of a place or a part of a world. You can draw map of any place. Maps have titles. The title tell us what the map is about. For example, treasure map. So treasure map is a title which is telling us what this map is about. You can draw map of your very own bedroom, showing the arrangement of your bedroom or your classroom, showing the arrangement of your classroom, like where the teacher desk is located, how the student seating is arranged. Okay, so map can be of any place. A map is like as if someone is sitting in an aeroplane and looking it from up and drawing the map. I told you that when you sit in an aeroplane and go high up in the sky, everything looks smaller. So map in on map everything is drawn smaller. Look at the map of a school. Okay, schools are big, isn't it? But in this map, a classroom is drawn as a box. So map in on map, things are drawn smaller. Important vocabulary: villages. Villages are small with less number of people, and there are some villages in the way of our school. Have you ever noticed them? Towns are bigger than villages, and more people live in town. For example, Muridke. Muridke is an example of a town. You know the village Patiawala that comes in the way of our school? So more people live in Muridke as compared to Patiawala. City is bigger than town. For example, Lahore. Have you ever been to Lahore? More people live in Lahore as compared to Muridke. Province. Many villages, towns, and cities that are close together make a province. Province is bigger than city. Have you ever traveled to Islamabad by road? All the cities and towns that come in the way are part of province Punjab. We also live in province Punjab. Country is made up of so many cities, towns, and villages. And it has many provinces as well. So country is bigger than villages, towns, city, or a province. Map of Pakistan. Let's have a look at map of Pakistan. This is Lahore, located in the province Punjab, where we live and where our school is situated. And this is Islamabad. And look, here is Karachi. Karachi is the city by sea. And this blue thing that you see on the map represents sea. And Karachi is a coastal city which is near sea, right next to it, in fact. And this is title of this map, which shows that this is map of Pakistan. It tells us this. Homework time. Draw and color flag of Pakistan and also complete the words about our flag. Okay. I hope that you will be able to do it very easily, and I'm looking forward to receive beautifully drawn and correctly colored homework from you. Once you've completed your homework, email it to me at zarahashmi83@gmail.com. That's all for today. Have a great day. Happy learning!